Mastering the art of open-ended questions. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of conversation starters by focusing on a very powerful tool: open-ended questions. These types of questions are fantastic to use in your daily routine and habits when you're practicing small talk. An open-ended question is a question that cannot be answered with a simple yes or no response, or with a static piece of information. Instead, it encourages a full, meaningful answer using the subject's own knowledge and/or feelings. It's your key to a rich, deep conversation. Let's look at some examples. What did you do today? How did you feel about the movie? So, why should you use open-ended questions when making small talk? Well, open-ended questions promote more conversation. The other person is encouraged to give more details, and this can lead to more topics to discuss. Build stronger relationships. By showing interest in the other person's experiences and feelings, you're building a connection with them. Improve your English comprehension and fluency. You'll learn to understand more complex responses, and you'll get a chance to practice your listening skills. It's simple to craft your own open-ended questions. Here's a guideline. 1. Start with a question word. Who, what, when, where, why, or how. 2. Follow it with the verb. Be careful not to lead into a yes, no question. 3. Add the subject and the details. Make it relevant to the conversation you're having. Here are a few examples. What was the most interesting part of your day? How do you usually start your mornings? Let's get into a little practice. Try to transform these yes, no questions into open-ended ones. 1. Did you like the concert? 2. Have you eaten dinner? Here's how you could do it. 1. What did you enjoy most about the concert? 2. What did you have for dinner? Remember, mastering the art of open-ended questions will take some practice. But don't worry, with time, you'll be able to use these effortlessly in your daily conversations, leading to more engaging and meaningful interactions. Keep practicing and keep learning. We hope this video has been helpful and can't wait to see you in our next lesson. Happy learning, everyone!